Perksy app review. That's what we'll be talking about today. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Also, please stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you 6 other apps that you can make money from pretty much instantly, starting from your download to doing a few things and whatnot. But let's get into this. So this is a cool little app here for, I believe this is iPhone only. I couldn't find the Android version, but the other apps I'm going to mention later on in the video are both iOS and Android. So basically this is kind of like a little survey app, but it's not your typical kind of survey app. It's actually pretty cool. They give you like stacks of cards on your phone and you just kind of answer the questions and such, and you get like notifications every time there's a new survey available to you. And then you have a certain time limit within to do it, and they don't take that long. I did one like a minute or two, not even that long. And then you rack up points, and once you get enough points, you can cash out for a $25 gift card for many different places. Let's take a look here actually. So yeah, they get like these stacks of cards like this, and it just has a question, and then you leave an answer down below. It's really quick and it's really easy. Basically with any of these apps, these are just companies gathering information and kind of like a focus group kind of thing. So let's take a look at the iOS ratings here. The app that pays you to play. Like I said, it's kind of like a game. Answer questions. You score points for every answer. Earn rewards. Cash out with over 100 top brands. There's Amazon, as you can see here, Amazon, Netflix, Spotify, and so on and so on. Macy's, Adidas, a bunch of other ones here. And it gets a 4.0 out of 5 on the iOS store for its ratings. Now, my thoughts are on this. It's going to take you quite some time to get that $25, but not a lot of work. In other words, it can take you like a minute today, a minute tomorrow, a minute the next day, maybe 2 minutes, ahead of that day. And eventually it's just going to add up. All in all, I think one reviewer here said it's about $25 for a half hour of work spread out over a month or 2 or 6 months or whatever it is. So is it quick money? Absolutely not. I've been using it for a few days myself, and we'll see how it goes. It doesn't really take too much time, like I said, and why not try it? But anyways, let's move on to some other apps here that are really cool. These are some apps I mentioned a bunch of times before, and there's going to be links down below for all this stuff, including Perksy. I have a referral link where I'll get extra points, and you can get more points that way too by referring friends. And I'm going to show you really quickly here 6 different apps and a place that you can promote your referral links for these apps to get even more money. But most people have Cash App already, but if you don't, just sign up. You get $5 right away. Basically, it's just like PayPal and such. You could buy, well, you can't buy Bitcoin on PayPal as far as I know, but you can buy Bitcoin, you can invest, you can send money between friends and such like that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Use my referral code. You'll get $5 when you link your card. DOSH is another really cool app. I've been using this for a while now. You get cash back on purchases when you link your card. You also get $5 per referral. So use my referral code. I'll get $5. Thank you in advance. Delivery.com is in the United States only. You get $10 of free food when you use my referral link. It's about 100 different US cities right now, so check that out. ROBINHOOD, get a free stock when you use my link. You have a chance of getting some very valuable stocks, Microsoft, Ford, and so on and so forth. So use my referral link for that as well. The Pi Network, it's a free cryptocurrency for your iOS device or your Android device. And I have about 7,000 Pi at the moment in cryptocurrencies. So use my invite code. It is invite only. Use my code Greg1. And then Rakuten is another cashback app. And you're going to get $10 today when you use my referral code. And I'll get $25. And with all these apps, you can refer people and get your bonuses as well. Which leads me to the next thing here, which is the website I'm showing you now. It's called Kit. I have all these cash apps listed here, and it's free to join. And then you can promote your products with one link like this, or you can just share the individual things here like this. Share. There you go. You can even make little gifs and stuff like that of the whole page here. Kind of create something here for you. a pretty cool way to advertise all these little apps for you and get yourself going, making some money online. Also, if you're interested in making a full-time income online, there's a link for that as well in the video description below. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.